Hi, welcome. We are currently on OpenBox, still on ArcoLinux XFC OpenBox i3 ISO, but I moved to OpenBox to explain something about the Tweak Tool. So if you do not have the Tweak Tool installed, you just do sudo pacman -s ArcoLinux Tweak Tool and just enter. Then you have it also. You will find out that a Ctrl-Alt-E is going to launch the Tweak Tool. It wants to be sudo, so you give it the password. And I'm here on OpenBox to tell you about oblogout config, because some of our desktops use the OpenBox logout system. And it's quite nice, really. It has a Super X button, and Super X is going to do a logout or restart on all our desktops. But any of our desktops, mostly tiling window managers that are using oblogout, will have a look like this. Now, you always could change the look in the past, because oblogout is just a file, and like you know by now, files and, well, GUIs are just things that do things what you can do manually. So etc oblogout, you're going to look for something oblogout.conf. Basically, what we did is we are making a GUI. There are some variables. You drag this line and it's going to change something. Opacity 80 is going to change a number in here. And that's basically all we do, right? So it changes the number in here. And that's the point. It's just easier. So we have a great tool where you don't need to go into the data in a file here. You can just say, okay, I'm gonna go for Branco. Don't know what it is. Let's have a look. Okay, so Super X, have a look. Oh, it's nice. Okay, fine. You like it, you hate it, you choose something else, right? Just go for save settings and then Super X and have a look. So, okay, I wanna have these buttons or any of the others. So there are lots of choice here. This, I think, was used to be our choice in the past. Let's have a look. All great. Yeah, that's the Saturday mono. So no colors, but just the icons to show you want to go log out, you want to shut down, and stuff like that. So here are your buttons. So that's just color. So you see here that these things change. There is no hashtag in front of it, which means it's active. So we've explained that to you in videos, how to change that manually. Now we have an ArcoLinux Tweak Tool to do it. Do you want to show the shutdown? So we're at the button, the buttons, so cancel, log out, restart, shutdown, suspend. I never suspend, I never hibernate. Fine, you never suspend, you never hibernate. Save settings. Okay, Super X, you have less buttons. You see? So if you do not like the S for shutdown or the R for restart or the H for hibernate, it doesn't make sense for you in your language, maybe you can change it if you want to. It will just change the shortcuts here, basically. And the lock screen, well, it's slim lock we're using, so just keep off from that. This, however, is a little bit tricky. So we'll just say we've left it in. Might add a sentence or something that LightDM will not display all colors. It will display some colors, like the red one. I think this one works. It all depends what color you're choosing, then you get this color. But not all of them are working, and it's more a LightDM really than it is a Tweak Tool thing or an ArcoLinux or even an ArcoLinux thing. It's a LightDM thing. You see, it's all white, but we did not select white. So it's okay. We leave it as is. Some of the colors will work, some of them won't. So be warned. That's it, basically. Back to the black one, and everything will be just fine. And we're happy with the black one. You see? And you make it transparent or not transparent, more black or less black. Black is, I think, the most beautiful color to have a logout. So that's basically it. Yeah, I told you everything there is to know. So this is the technical part. Here we get all the information, and we're just changing the information with our ArcoLinux Tweak Tool. And that's, of course, very convenient and awesome. All right, enjoy.